Hi friends, today I am going to tell you about this car, a short and sweet review. So this car's name is Gesture Sensing Traverse Crab Dancing Stunt Car. It is 4.WD watts. This is all terrains. It has two models, level and off-road. Level means like this and off-road means like this, and it has a remote control, and this is an on button, this is the off button, and it has automatically button also in which it will go automatic, and it gives us music and it gives us cool light. This traverse means it can skid. So it has a bionic joint means they are telling this only. So it has a NAM wheel, MC NAM wheel. So this is only the MC NAM wheel. It has a durable life also. The battery will come for a long time. This has a 360 rotation. It means it will rotate all directions. So it has a normal remote also, in which the normal cars it will come that remote. So see here, this is the charging place. So we can connect this to and this. So this is the charging place, the cap, and it has a remote control. I said you. It has one battery and one charger. This is USB charger and it is battery. See. Then see here. If you control like this means it will brake, and if you do like this means crab dancing stunt car. It gives us light and music. It gives us cool light also and music also. This is traverse car. That means it can skid also like this, and it has a NAM wheel and it has a bionic joint. This only they are telling, the bionic joint, and it has a 360 rotation means it can skid, and it has a hand sensing remote control. So this is the on button and this is the off button. We have one automatic button. It will go automatically if we touch this. We cannot control it, and it has a normal remote also. We can have with that also. So it is 4.WD watts. Then it has two model terrains, level and off-road. The product size, length is 420mm, width is 220mm, height is 95mm. What is included in this means transforming car into one. It can transform like this and transform like this. Control into one role, instruction manual into one, and USB cable means the USB charger they are telling, and rechargeable lithium battery pack 1. We can recharge their battery also. So this is the remote in this. So this is the car. See, it's nice now. This is the NAM wheel. And then it gives us cool light, they told no, and music also it can give us. This is the music place where it can give us. I'm using this car for 10 days. It is very nice. The special in this car is this hand sensing only. It is very nice to control. I will wear and tell you.
Sheshu, நீ சொல்ல அண்ணா மாதிரி.
So I'll tell you how to ride this car. So we should on this car like this, and we should long press this. So the light is kept. Right, it is not. So see how it is going. So what is this? It is a car. So okay guys, I hope you all like this video. So if you like this video means like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.